Let's see if we can do this in 30 seconds. Settings, RTMP server. Let's disable it. Create a new one. It will be named My Stream. You can rename it to whatever you want. Doesn't matter. It's just for you. Stream key can be set to whatever. If you have multiple servers, that's how you distinguish between them. Latency is default at 2000. That makes it work better. Less and it's shorter latency, but you will run into troubles. Auto select mic is about when you switch from the built-in cameras to the RTMP server, should the mic switch over automatically. Manual FPS is required to use some action cameras because they don't report their FPS. So set it to manual 29.97 or 30, depending on which action camera you have. And then here your URL will be showing up as soon as you activate it. So let's go back, activate it, and they will be listed here. One moment, please. I need to cover up some sensitive data here. The one with the Wi-Fi logo is if you want to connect, say, from a GoPro to the phone over the Wi-Fi they share. The one I'm covering up here in the middle is if you want to go via the internet. So this is your public IP. And then the link, it is if you're using the phone's hotspot. So if you're on the iPhone, make a hotspot. That's the address the GoPro is supposed to connect to when the iPhone itself is the network. And the address looks like that. So it's the IP of my local Wi-Fi, and then the port number, which you don't have to change, live/1. And this is the information you enter in your GoPro app or whatever you're using as a source for a camera. When you're done, you can close out of that. And it has to be made into a scene. So you go to scene, you create a new one, and you name it whatever you want to name it, like RTMP. And under video source, it will show up as whatever you named your RTMP. When you've selected all of that and done it, it will show up down here. And you select it, and there your RTMP feed will be.